Ethan, thoughts after that? 3 points, but your thoughts on the performance mainly?
Yeah, I mean, like I said before the game, our aim was to come and win here. We needed a win. We know that we were going to have a bit of the ball just because of the way they play and the way that we want to play, and we want to impose ourselves in their game, and we had to be patient, and we showed that. Maybe a little bit at the end we can control the game a little bit better, but we got the win, so that's the most important thing.
Talk me through kind of those first 60 minutes before you got the goal. Obviously, you had the disallowed goal early on, but was there an element of frustration that you were struggling to get the ball into the back of the net, struggling to break them down?
No, we knew with our quality we were going to try and break them down anyway, whether that was going to take 6 minutes or, like I said, 60 minutes. We always had the confidence that we can do that. We know our attacking quality, we know our patterns play that we want to do. So, like I said, we were going to be patient throughout, and we always going to have the belief that we were going to score.
John James just said, there's an expectation of goals when you come out to face this kind of opposition. Is there an element of frustration, considering the standard of the opposition, that you weren't able to create more out there tonight?
No, we're never going to disrespect and say that we should have scored more. I mean, we're going to put that on ourselves. We know the quality that we have, and we want to score as many goals as we can. So it's always nicer to score more than one, but at the end of the day, we got the 3 points there, and then we can build on that after.
I'll have to let you go, Ethan, but thank you. Diolch.